You need to know that writing a letter to Santa is a fun Christmas tradition. A well-written letter shows Santa that you are polite. Begin your letter with a greeting. For instance, Dear Santa. Tell Santa about yourself. My name is Tom and I'm 9 years old. Ask Santa how he is doing. How are you? I hope that you are rested up from delivering presents last year. Tell Santa about the good things that you've done this year. I want you to know that I have been very good this year. I helped my sister with her homework and I listened to my parents. Ask Santa politely for the things on your list. This year, I would like to ask you to bring me a new bicycle and 2 chocolate bars for my sister. Finish up your letter by thanking Santa Claus. Thank you for the presents that you gave me last year and for being so kind. Please say hello to your reindeer and elves. Sign your letter. With love, Tom. Decorate your letter. Put your letter into an envelope and sign it. 2. Santa Claus, North Pole. From Tom Mills, 77 High Street, London, the UK, E28 ALG. Give the letter to your parents to send. Dear Santa, I wish you could bring me a dog, a cat, computer, sweets, no more homework. Dear Santa, I hope you had a good year. I have been a good girl. I'm sure I'm on the good list. I would really like an American Girl doll. Her name is McKenna. She is so pretty. Please give a kiss to your reindeer after Christmas. Can you watch my elf body for me? I love you, Santa. Dear Santa, for Christmas I want a music notebook to write down song ideas, bears and other things. By the way, how old are you? How old is Mrs. Claus? Do you go to the bathroom at people's house? Do the elves work all year or not? I also want a picture of you and your signature. Dear Santa, I have been a very good girl. I help Mommy feed Dexter almost every day. I hope I'm on the nice list. Here is some stuff I would like. A new teddy bear, roller skates, some balloons, a remote control boat and a new dress. Please give me only what I deserve. I hope you like the cookies I helped Mommy make.
lucky. I like Christmas goody too. It's Christmas Day, it's Christmas Day. Happy Christmas, hooray, hooray, hooray. It's Christmas Day, it's Christmas Day. Happy Christmas, hooray, hooray, hooray. Happy Christmas, hooray, hooray, hooray.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. The bells on bobtail ring, they make our spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank, and we got upside. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Now the ground is white, so go it while you're young. Take the girls tonight and sing the sleighing song. Just get a bobtailed nag